Hello traders, before we get into the main focus of this video, I want to let you know that you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now in this video, I'm just going to be reviewing the Tick Scalper EA for MT5, and this is a high frequency scalping robot that is designed to take advantage of very small price movements at the tick level. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace, and you can see Tick Scalper EA is currently priced at $200 with rental options available as well. $50 for a month, $100 for 3 months. Now, from the description, this EA is focused on tick level execution. All right, meaning that it's not really trying to capture big moves in the market. Instead, it's targeting small, frequent opportunities based on micro price fluctuations. It also emphasizes execution speed, spread conditions, and volatility bursts, which is exactly what you would expect from a scalping system like this. One important thing mentioned here is that it works best with low spreads, and fast execution. So ideally, you'd want to be using a good ECN broker and probably a VPS setup as well. Okay, now let's just go over some of the features and, more importantly, what they actually mean in practice. First, we have the tick based analysis. So instead of relying on traditional indicators alone, this EA is analyzing price movement at the tick level, basically every small price change. So this allows it to react very quickly to short-term opportunities. All right, the advantage here is precision. You are getting very fast entries and exits. But the downside is that this kind of system is extremely sensitive to execution quality. Things like slippage, spread widening, or broker delays can significantly affect performance. Next, we have the spread and volatility filters. All right. This is actually very important for scalping systems. The EA avoids trading when spreads are too high or when volatility is outside its preferred range. So that helps reduce bad entries, but at the same time, it can also mean fewer trades during certain market conditions. Okay, there's also the session control, right? You can define specific trading hours, which is useful because scalping strategies usually perform best during high liquidity sessions like the London or New York sessions. Then we have the risk management, features like the stop loss, trailing stop, and fixed lot sizing. The trailing stop, for example, helps lock in profits as price moves in your favor, but if it is set too tight, it can close trades prematurely, especially in fast moving markets. Now we also have the optional compounding, where the lot size increases as the account grows. So that can accelerate growth, but it also increases risk if not managed properly. All right, so let us just jump into the strategy tester. We have covered the general idea behind the EA. Okay, so let's see how this thing actually behaves in real market conditions. All right, so for this test, I am running it from the start of the year, up until the recent date. Now, just to mention, while this gives us a decent sample, it's always a good idea to test over a longer period across different market conditions, because a few months alone may not be enough to fully evaluate a system like this. All right, so let us just start the test. Okay, so right here, let me pause this. We can see the first trade has been opened. Now, if we take a closer look at this, the entry kind of happened, during a short burst of momentum. Right now, this is typical of tick scalping. The EA is reacting to very small, rapid price movements. So the entry logic here is essentially momentum based at the micro level, right? Filtered by spread and volatility conditions. It's not waiting for big confirmations. It's trying to get in quickly when conditions are favorable. So let's just continue. Now, you notice what's happening here. Trades are not executed in multiples, as we can see, and you know trades are executed only when opportunities are found, right? That's why you don't see a lot of trades just clustered on the chart. Okay, so this is quite interesting. um we have come to the end of the back test over the past few months since the start of the year. Okay, so we're just going to be going to the results to see how the EA performed. All right, so there were only 12 trades executed, 9 short trades, only about one third of the trades were profitable. And then we have 3 long trades, none were profitable. The net profit was negative $46.74 in loss out of an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars. Now, keep in mind that these are historical backtest results, so they are just for analysis, all right, not a guarantee of future performance. You will want to look at things like the equity curve, the overall trade consistency, and drawdown levels. All right. Now, depending on your settings, especially lot size and risk parameters, these results can vary quite a bit. So if you increase your risk, you might see faster growth, but also higher drawdown. If you reduce your risk, things may look more stable, but with slower progression. Now, this is where optimization comes in. You can adjust the settings based on your own risk tolerance and trading goals. All right. So overall, the Tick Scalper EA is an execution sensitive scalping system focused on capturing micro price movements. It's fast and designed for high frequency trading, but it also requires the right environment. The low spreads, fast execution, and stable market conditions. It's not the kind of EA that performs well everywhere. It really depends on how and where you use it. So, as always, if you are considering something like this, it's a good idea to test it on a demo account first, experiment with different settings, and see how it behaves over a longer period of time. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.